To add Tap to Pay on iPhone, you will need an iPhone that supports this feature, typically iPhone XS or later models, and a compatible card from a participating bank or financial institution. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where you will store your credit or debit cards for use with Tap to Pay. If you do not have the Wallet app, you can download it from the App Store. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a new card. You will be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. After selecting the card type, you will need to take a photo of your card or manually enter the card information. If you choose to take a photo, the Wallet app will automatically detect the card number and expiration date. Once the card information has been added, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the card issuer. This may involve verifying your identity and receiving a verification code via text or email. After verifying your card, you will need to add it to the Wallet app by tapping the Add to Wallet button. The card will then be stored in the Wallet app and can be used for Tap to Pay transactions. To use Tap to Pay, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You will know the transaction has been successful when you see a check mark on the screen and hear a confirmation sound. It is essential to keep your iPhone and card information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. Make sure to use a passcode, Face ID, or Touch ID to lock your iPhone and regularly review your transaction history to detect any suspicious activity. By following these steps, you can easily add Tap to Pay on your iPhone and enjoy the convenience of contactless payments. Remember to always keep your card and iPhone information up to date and secure to ensure a safe and seamless payment experience.